Investing in Cryptocurrency with Robinhood, a beginner's guide. Cryptocurrency has emerged as one of the most popular investment opportunities of the modern era, and Robinhood has made it easier than ever for beginners to dive in. With its user-friendly interface and commission-free trades, Robinhood offers a great platform for those looking to invest in digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others. In this guide, we'll walk you through every step of investing in cryptocurrency on Robinhood, from setting up your account to managing your investments wisely. Before you can start investing, you need a Robinhood account. Here's how to set it up. Download the app. Search for Robinhood in your app store and download the app, or visit the Robinhood website on your computer. Sign up. Open the app and click Sign Up. Enter your email, create a strong password, and follow the prompts. Provide personal information. Robinhood will ask for details such as your name, social security number, SSN, and date of birth to verify your identity as required by law. Link a bank account. To fund your investments, you'll need to connect a bank account. Enter your banking details and Robinhood will verify your account. Enable Robinhood Crypto. During the setup process or in the app settings, enable Robinhood Crypto to start trading cryptocurrencies. Once your account is set up, the next step is to add funds. Go to the Account tab, open the app and click the profile icon. Select Transfers. Tap on Transfers and choose Deposit Funds. Enter the amount. Specify how much money you want to transfer from your bank to your Robinhood account. Confirm the transfer. Review the details and confirm. Depending on your bank, the funds may be available instantly or within a few days. Before investing, it's crucial to understand what you're buying. Explore Robinhood's crypto section. Click on the search bar and type cryptocurrencies to see available options like Bitcoin BTC, Ethereum ETH, Dogecoin, Doji, and more. Review market data. Robinhood provides charts showing price trends, historical data, and news updates for each cryptocurrency. Understand the risks. Cryptocurrencies are volatile. Make sure to educate yourself on their potential risks and rewards before making any investments. Now that you've done your research, it's time to make your first crypto purchase. Search for the cryptocurrency. Use the search bar to find the crypto you want to buy, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Open the cryptos page. Tap on the cryptocurrency to see its market data and price chart. Click Buy. On the cryptos page, tap the Buy button. Enter the amount. Specify how much you want to invest. Robinhood allows fractional purchases, so you don't need to buy a full coin. Review and confirm. Double-check the details and swipe up or click to confirm your purchase. Congratulations, you now own cryptocurrency. Investing doesn't stop at buying. Monitoring your investments is essential. Portfolio tab. Visit your Portfolio tab to see your crypto holdings. Track price movements. Keep an eye on price changes and trends. Robinhood provides real-time updates for all listed cryptocurrencies. Set alerts. Use Robinhood's notification feature to receive alerts when a cryptocurrency hits a specific price. At some point, you may want to sell your cryptocurrency to lock in profits or minimize losses. Here's how. Go to the crypto page. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to sell from your portfolio. Click Sell. Tap the Sell button on the cryptos page. Enter the amount. Specify how much you want to sell. You can sell a portion or the entire amount. Review and confirm. Check the details and confirm the sale. The proceeds will be added to your Robinhood account balance. Cryptocurrency investing is exciting, but it comes with risks. Follow these tips to manage your investments wisely. Diversify. Don't put all your funds into one cryptocurrency. Spread your investments across multiple assets to reduce risk. Invest what you can afford to lose. Cryptocurrencies are volatile, and prices can fluctuate dramatically. Only invest money you're willing to lose. Set goals. Decide whether you're investing for the short term or long term, and set clear goals for your portfolio. The cryptocurrency market moves quickly. Staying informed is key. Follow news and trends. Keep up with crypto news through Robinhood's app or other reliable sources. Learn continuously. The more you understand about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Investing in cryptocurrency on Robinhood is straightforward, even for beginners. By following these steps, setting up your account, funding it, researching options, and managing your investments, you can enter the exciting world of crypto with confidence. Remember, patience and knowledge are your greatest assets in this journey. Start today and take one step closer to financial empowerment.